The city of Vilnius, located in Lithuania, is a charming place with a rich history, stunning scenery and a vibrant cultural life. The capital and largest city of Lithuania, Vilnius is known for its architectural beauty, and its UNESCO World Heritage listed Old Town is one of the largest surviving medieval old towns in Europe. Vilnius landscape is characterized by charming cobblestone streets, historic buildings and picturesque squares. The cityscape is dominated by Gothic, Renaissance and Baroque architecture, which showcases the city's diverse cultural influences over the centuries. In recent years, Vilnius has become a popular tourist destination due to its unique blend of history and modernity. Travelers can explore numerous attractions such as Vilnius Cathedral, Gedimin Tower and the famous Dawn Gate. The city also boasts numerous museums that provide an insight into Lithuania's rich heritage and artistic life. Vilnius is also recognized for its vibrant cultural life. Throughout the year, the city hosts various festivals of music, film, art and literature. There are numerous theaters showcasing both traditional and modern performances. Whether you are interested in history, culture or simply exploring new destinations, Vilnius has something to offer every traveler. Its welcoming atmosphere combined with its rich heritage make it a fascinating place to visit and explore.